So here's how you can find working Aliexpress coupons. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. After that, we will open the Aliexpress page, which I have already opened. If you have created an account, then sign in, otherwise create an account. Here in the top right corner, click on the account option. After that, you will see some options. Then we will click on the bottom option, My Coupons. After that, we will just choose any coupons. Then we will copy the coupon code, and below it we'll click on the Use Now option. Then we will select any one product from these products. After that, we will go down and click on the Buy Now option. Then we will click on Enter Code Here option and paste the coupon code here. After that, we will click on the Apply option. Then we will get the Product Me discount for entering the coupon code. Here, the price of the product was $249, but when we entered this coupon code, this price of the product would be $230. In this way, we can find working coupons on Aliexpress.